Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AZFL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And first thing first, going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of this green line down here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but it's not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion by having lines all over the place. So I just want to try to keep this as clean and straightforward as possible. So first update, though, does come about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0037 as resistance, but now that the price has very cleanly broken up above it and closed well up above it, this would be considered that ideal level of support, meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay above 0037. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means is everything ruined or anything like that. But as far as, preferably speaking, yeah, staying above 0037 would be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back, though, looking at the big picture of it all, nothing has changed in regards to that. For those of you that have watched the past videos, it's still all about that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. And as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving higher and higher and higher. So if you're thinking, hey, that looks like a trend line, that's actually very logical. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing a trend line, that's fine. Let the moving average, quote unquote, draw the trend line for you. So from that perspective, this trend line is uptrending. So therefore, if the price stays above an uptrending trend line, that implies that the price is what? It's in an uptrend, and that's what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point. The party actually stopped during the final 30 minutes up there at 0046. So 0046, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But, as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, you've seen the results of that. The uptrend is not only going to continue, but just keep on getting that much stronger. So next week should be interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.